Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my birthday week. It's currently Wednesday. My birthday is gonna be on Saturday, and alam nyo, usually hindi talaga ako nag-film, especially if it's my birthday, because I just don't really want to expect with people, you know, now they're gonna remember my birthday. Tapos I'm normally like sad, but this year's different. Like I feel so loved. I have so much love in my heart. I spent my last day at work on Monday, and then kahapon, oh my gosh, I loved my day yesterday. I had no work because I'm starting another job next week. Woke up, called my parents, went to the gym, had breakfast while watching Perfect Crown. I took a bath. I did my brows. Look at them. They're so cute. I dyed them. Dyed my brows. I don't know. Hindi ko na alam kung ano number niya. I'm just gonna assume it's some percent. Did my nails. I did not did them, but I cleaned them. Yung mga nail tech and everything, hindi nila nilinisan yung nails. They just does them. Like, yung paint and... paint? Finger... What? Basta like the nails, they just do it. Pero, ako nilinis ko lang sila kahapon. And then, AR and I, we went on a date. We watched the Michael movie. It was really, really good. Like, don't hate me for this, pero hindi ko talaga alam na itim pala si Michael Jackson. I never thought about like researching about him. Alam mo yun, like hindi yun yung first thing that comes into my mind. Oh, research about Michael Jackson. No, pero yung mga pictures lang nakikita ko online, nakikita ko na puti siya. At least his skin tone is like puti. But that's it. I didn't know he was black. Okay, so today, I just plan on chill day. Hindi ako nag-workout. But we are gonna go play badminton tonight with some of our friends. Come with me to this day. This is what it looks like. It's egg and tomato. Hindi siya kinamatisang itlog kasi I know what that looks like. Soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar yung nilagay niya, and then some pepper. Ito, may pepper, may chili powder, and may red pepper flakes. So, taste test. Kasi si AR gusto niya yung manghang, yung may sipa. I taste the sweetness, and then nagta-transition siya to spice. Bro. So I'm eating some cereal, and then I'm gonna watch Perfect Crown while having some sunlight. Yes, this is my sunlight. Kasi tinatamad akong lumabas. It's like so cold outside.
Sarap.
Parang sarap daw.
Ganyan ka babae.
Yay! Thank you.
Dinala ko pa yung kotse para dyan. Titipid nga tayo ng gas eh.
Oo nga, opo. Dapat naman na lang din ayok. Hello guys, magbabadminton kami at may mission kaming mag-high five sa akin pang bata. Mayroon akong fruit snacks at gold. It's yours! It's yours! Mati, this one is good. You try it. We'll open it for you. I have another one. I have two.
Look at dyan. I'm Tito AR. You want this? Get
You
one.
want it?
Get one. Get one.
Hello, tinitingnan yun.
Ayun.
Uy, ang galing mo discipline ka ha.
Kain ka na.
Uy, baka na-overwhelm siya sa atin.
Kain na. Hindi. Overstimulate.
Oo nga.
Dapat ganun.
Dapat ganun.
Train them young. Mati mo ha.
Dito lang yan sa tabi mo Uy, tinitingnan niya. Here you get some food if you want. Hello everyone, it's Thursday. I didn't do much today. I just went to the gym. Now I'm watching and eating my salad. And after eating my salad, I'm gonna do my nails. And it's a good day. It's a good day. I'm not feeling so well though. Feeling ko parating na yung period ko. Kasi every time parating na yung period ko, I'm just like... Kahapon, si AR did his homework on my desk. Pinare niya yung keyboard and mouse ko with his laptop. And now, I can't freaking pair it with my laptop. So, it ruined my whole freaking soul and body and mind. I was supposed to edit some vlogs and fix some files today. I know it's so petty. It's like a small thing. It's not a big deal. Pero yung mind ko talaga tsaka yung puso ko parang, ayoko na. Ganun siya ngayon. I just took a deep breath. And I told myself, you know what? I'm just gonna deal with this later. I'm gonna eat my salad, watch my K-drama, do my nails. 2 hours later, I got my nails done. They're looking good.
Overstimulate naman tong keyboard na to. Kapi-kapi tayo mamaya, ha? Pero mag-Walmart mo na lang.
Pero Walmart na tayo? Di ba 6 yun?
Okay. Dindo.
Parang dumugo yung ilong ko. My gosh. Oh my gosh! Aristotle bought me some Instax films. I'm so happy. So happy about that. Kasi meron akong Leplay. Then it's the perfect time to print some pictures.
Dito.
Sige.
Bababa ako.
Oo. Tapos dapat dito.
Sige. Natatawa kasi ako.
Sige.
Mas ang hirap mag-roll. Parang ikaw na lang gumawa sa akin.
Alam mo nga.
Joke lang.
What if?
Buka. Dali, tayo ka na dito.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, kaya na.
Uy, kaya naman! Ay, ang galing!
Seal ka na sa amin, hindi ka na seal sa pagulang ko.
Iba na.
Amuha na dito.
Ratatam.
Ako salad kong siling aron na. Kaya di ba? Diha man isulti ako.
Kinsa di ay.
Kinsa?
Taasa naman lagi.
Ano na bang balita kay Green
Green
Eyes?
eyes. Green eyes o gray eyes ba siya?
As gahapon.
Hindi ko kasi makita eh. Hindi ko naman kasi tinititigan yung mata niya.
Naon siya ako maayo.
Kuman na mi. Kamusta ang first time mo?
Hindot tayo. Balay.
Parang murag katulugon na lagi ka.
Naka-rest man.
Ay,
Pia.
it's cute. This is my cake, guys. Look at that. It's currently like 10:30-ish. I'm in bed. Just like appreciate my fairy lights. We just finished making baked sushi. Tapos umuwi si AR. Weirdly enough, dapat kasi sasalubungin naman yung birthday ko. Pero si AR, umuwi siya for a bit kasi may kukunin daw siya for his homework and everything. Nako mo?
Yeah, picture ko na.
Okay. Okay, so dumating siya. Pero tinignan ko yung location niya kanina. Walang location. So I'm like, ano nagawa nito? Tapos, I feel like it's kind of sketchy though.
Ay, di pala ako yung birthday. Suotin niya guys. Makita niya. Uy!
I woke up to this. To this. To Jessica. May regalo siya. Ito si Jade. Tsaka yung Polaroid. one is Cheska's. Oh my god! Ang cute! The lemons.
Yellow
I
ba?
don't usually wear bags like this, but I should start. Thank you, Cheska. Love you.
Kala sa dito gagamitin? lang.
Oy, bakit ka na...
Nakakatakot.
Bakit naka-fold yung legs mo?
Nag-meal prep kami. Tapos, kausap ni AR yung parents niya. Hi kayo.
Kaya nga, susubukan niyo nga lang. Kaya nga, ilang gawin yan?
Gagawa mo yung Dubai Chewy Chocolate.
Dami pa yan, May. Simutin mo pa yan.
Paano simot? Dito o ganon? Okay na yan. Okay na yan.
Okay na.
Kasi yung tagal lang nagre-reklamo na ito eh. Hindi pa nag-Dubai Chewy Chocolate. Uy! Tutupad na yung pangarap niya.
Yes!
Nalagay na po yung butter.
Ang pag ano ni Adi dati dyan, yung parang pilik-pilik ba? Tapos may tok-tok pa. Yun, no?
Ano?
Approve, approve!
Tapos pag hinalo mo din yan, yung paangat. Taas, baba.
Spaghetti pala eh.
Charap.
Charap!
Silang lang ano.
Okay, reject. Try it.
Ano brand ng coco mo? Hershey's?
Great value.
Ano? Sarap?
Mm-hmm. Ang sarap!
Mm.
Grabe. Parang ko lang sa subo.
Kumano talaga ako. Ito sa daliri ko.
Sila.
Mas madali.
Another reject.
Madali. Bare hands talaga mahirap bilot eh. Ay magbalot eh. Kahit kami nung una eh. Pag nagkakat ako eh, hirapan ako eh.
Ang pait.
Yun talaga yung ano nun. Mababalance siya ng palaman sa pait.
Yun nga eh. Kaya ang sarap eh.
I'm so mad at myself because I didn't get to film everything. If I can describe my birthday in like 2 words, it's sobrang busog. Which is I love because I love eating. Thanks for watching and I love you guys.